Pelvic floor care, what every woman needs to know. What if we told you that up to 40% of women will experience a pelvic floor disorder in their lifetime, but most never receive the treatment that clinical guidelines recommend? They face a range of pelvic floor disorders, including urinary incontinence, pelvic pain, and pelvic organ prolapse, and those issues only get more common as they get older. In fact, the prevalence of these conditions rises from about 10% of women in their 20s to nearly 50% of women in their 80s and beyond. Childbirth is one major factor. Nearly half of all women develop a pelvic floor issue within 10 years of having a baby. Up to 3 in 4 women will struggle with sexual pain at some point in their lives. And about 1 in 5 women who reach 80 will experience pelvic organ prolapse. None of these are normal, and they're not just part of being a woman. The good news is that there are things you can do to reduce your chances of developing a condition, starting with pelvic floor muscle training. Conditioning your pelvic floor muscles has been shown to reduce the symptoms of stress incontinence in up to 70% of women. That's why major clinical guidelines like those from the American College of Physicians recommend pelvic floor muscle training as the first-line treatment for stress urinary incontinence. That means before medication and before surgery. Despite this, less than 3% of women diagnosed with stress or mixed urinary incontinence see a pelvic floor physical therapist within 2 years of the onset of their condition. And of those referred to a physical therapist, only about 15% complete therapy. Instead of taking advantage of this proven approach, many women normalize their symptoms or let embarrassment stop them from getting care that can literally change their lives. Don't let misconceptions or fear stop you from getting the help you deserve. Bladder leaks, urgency, pelvic pain, and prolapse are all common, but they're treatable, and you deserve it. Talk with your provider, explore the options available, and follow through with your treatment for real results. Get started now. Visit nafc.org/we-count today to learn more about all the benefits you can expect from pelvic floor therapy.